na ang Klinika 630 sa Aksyon Ngayon!
Bukas na nga po ang Klinika 630 at pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ang bipolar disorder. Ano kaya itong bipolar? Naririnig-rinig ko ito pero parang napaka-vague ang description sa akin. Kaya tayo malilinawan sa ating panayam sa isang psychiatrist, psychiatry and mood disorder specialist mula Makati Medical Center, si Dr. Carmina Bernardo. Hello, Doc! Ay, could you press the red button there? Yes, that's
Okay.
it. Yan.
Hello po. Magandang hapon po. Thank you po for
Hi.
inviting me here.
Ay, it's a pleasure, Doc Carmina. Okay, identification of terms.
Okay.
Umpisahan natin dun. Ano ba yung bipolar disorder?
Okay.
And how is it a disorder?
Yes. Okay. It's a very excellent question. So,
Thank
ganito
you.
yon. Think of it na parang kaya bipolar, two poles.
Two
We
poles.
have the North Pole, we have the South Pole.
Positive, negative.
Actually,
Hindi pa.
parehong negative.
Okay.
Pag North Pole, masyadong hyperactive, irritable, pakiramdam niya, nagagawa niya lahat. I-fire niyo lahat ng mga empleyado niyo, kaya kong gawin lahat yan.
Ganon?
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
they could be very irritable, tapos parang very hyperactive sila. Alas 3 ng umaga, doon sila naglo-laundry, hindi sila natutulog, sasabihin nila sa akin, Doktora, 1 oras lang, kaya ko na matulog. Actually, di ko kailangan ng tulog eh. Yeah, so yes, they would do
They
that.
seem to be very confident of themselves.
Yes, they're very grandiose. Parang pakiramdam nila sila si Superman, si Wonder Woman. Kaya nilang, hindi sila tatabla ng bala.
Oh, okay.
Ganun ang pakiramdam. Others would be spending. Bibili ng isang bag or isang sapatos pero iba-ibang kulay.
Oh,
Okay, yeah, so it's like that. That is what we call the mania. Pag nagmamanik sila, I'm sure naririnig yung term.
Yes,
Naku, nagmamanik yan. So, ganon. It's they're very explosive. So, yan yung tinatawag natin na North Pole. Yung South Pole, ito yung pag nararamdaman natin na depression. So, there is depression,
Low.
masyadong malungkot, hindi umaalis ng kama, nandun lang, akong may kasalanan ng lahat, ang may kasalanan, bakit nasisira na yung business namin,
Okay.
hindi ako makakonsentrate, parang walang laman ng isip ko.
Okay.
So, dati gustong-gusto ko lang kahit mag-basketball, ngayon kahit wala akong gagawin, ayoko mag-basketball, gusto ko lang nasa kama,
Talukbong.
nakatalukbong.
Okay.
Minsan naman, yung tulog nila iba rin. Kung sa North Pole, ang sasabihin nila sa akin na,
ayaw ko matulog.
ayoko matulog, eto, Doktora, gusto ko matulog pero hindi ako makatulog. Kung ano-ano pumapasok sa isip ko, usually negative. At syempre, yung pinakamalala na ayaw natin mangyari is, Doktora, parang gusto ko mawala. Siguro mas maganda na lang kung wala na ako dito. Siguro mas masaya ang pamilya ko kung patay na ako. Minsan nakakaisip na sila na gusto na, nagpaplano na sila kung paano nila gagawin yun.
Okay. Pero ang termino natin, Doc, bi.
Bi.
So,
So,
ibig sabihin, itong isang tao na nakakaranas ng dalawang poles?
pwedeng lumabas yun at the same time. Mas mahirap gamutin yon. Ang tawag namin doon is mixed, magkahalo. Pero pwedeng yung pag lumabas lang yung hyper, yung mania, bipolar na yon. Pero kunyari pag depression lang, it's termed as major depression. Yun yung tinatawag natin major depressive. Pero oras na nilabasan ka na ng North Pole, may iba ka ng klaseng simptomas. Hindi lang yon plain vanilla na major depression lang. That is already bipolar.
May triggers ba?
I'll go to that question.
Okay.
Sasagutin ko muna bakit siya naging disorder.
Disorder.
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi naapektuhan na yung functioning. Ibig sabihin, hindi na pumapasok. Parati na lang nasa kama. Nakikipag-away na kung kani-kanino. Meron akong mga pasyente na porket nakat lang sila ng jeep,
Okay.
hahagarin sa EDSA. Haharangan. Tapos, baba ito. Bababa siya, may dala siyang payong, gaganunin niya yung hood ng jeep.
Sa kanya, nakapina.
Oo.
Okay.
So, bigla na lang mahihimas-masan siya. Diyos ko, ba't ko ginawa yun? So, yon sasabihin nila sa akin. So, it affects their functioning. Nagkakamali-mali na sa opisina. Nakikipag-away na sa boss. Kung sa nasa eskwelahan, bumabagsak na. Yeah, so nakikipag-away na sa mga kaklase.
Okay.
So once the functioning is affected, or like for example, sa family, simple, ayaw na sumabay sa pagkakain na. Gusto na sa kwarto lang, nakakulong. Tapos hindi na naliligo, hindi na nagtutoothbrush. So those are problems with your functioning. Hindi ka na functional. O hindi mo na naaalagaan ang sarili mo. Kaya siya nagiging disorder.
Okay.
Ngayon, pag sinabi mong may ano
Trigger.
ba? May trigger. Maraming trigger.
Okay.
Kung madalas tinatanong sa akin yan, ano ba ang cause? Ano bang nangyayari? Bakit nagkakaroon? Kung alam ko lang yung sagot, mayaman na ako, hindi na ako hindi na ako nagpa-practice. Pero,
Wala lang?
hindi, dalawa.
Dalawa.
What we call nature and nurture. Nature could be the genes.
Okay.
Pwede yung kanino-ninuan mo meron na pass down. Wala tayong control doon. So,
Hereditary pala
pwede,
ito?
oo, mas mataas ang risk na magkaroon kung meron sa pamilya. Nakikita namin yon. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na porket meron kang gene, lalabas.
Okay.
Kasi may mga pasyente ako nung nagte-train ako abroad na lahat ng kamag-anak meron bipolar. Pero siya lang ang wala.
Wala.
Meron din naman na siya meron pero wala sa kamag-anak niyang may bipolar. So hindi natin pwedeng masabi na
Siya,
genes
genes
talaga.
lang.
Oo.
Okay.
May tinatawag tayong nurture is the environment. Kung pangit yung pagkalaki, toxic, merong abuse, may trauma, hindi ganun kaganda nag-aaway ang parents, hindi ganun kaganda ang pagpapalaki. So kung meron ka ng gene, ganun pa ang environment na kinakalakihan mo, so pwedeng tinatawag na perfect storm, lalabas. Yon, so it's not 100% nature, it's not 100% nurture.
So,
yeah. But it's still a hypothesis. Yun pa rin ang pinag-iisipan.
Hindi pa talaga
Yes. Oo.
absolute. Nakasama rin ba sa pag-aaral yung mga juices ng brain?
Pwede, yung
hormones,
mga chemicals,
yes,
hormones.
oo.
That is a very interesting question kasi usually, lalo na sa babae, nag-uumpisa puberty. Pag nagkaroon na ng menstrual cycle.
No?
Yes.
Okay.
So, masasabi na usually yan ng parents, ano lang yan, tawag dito, sumpungin. May ano lang yan, may mood lang yan. Yon, pero yung pala, yun na nagsa-start na. That is already the start of a bipolar.
Mahirap yan, Doki. Kasi, well, okay, it's subjective. It's yung observation ng isang tao, like yung example mo, puberty sa mga babae. So nag-uumpisa, expected na pag nag-umpisa na ang menstrual cycle,
Yes.
magkakaroon ng irregularity sa mga moods.
Oo.
May mood swings. Tawag dito, parang hindi naman siya parang disorder.
Pero, bumabagsak sa school, biglang umiiyak, irritable, nakikipag-away. Kung dati masayahin, ngayon bugnutin.
Doon na mag-alarma.
Yes. Oo.
Yun ang mga red flags.
Yeah, pag functioning na is affected.
Paano gamutan ito? Paano
May gamot. Yeah, may gamot.
Okay.
Unfortunately or fortunately, in all psychiatric conditions, wala tayong cure. Pero we have medications to treat the symptoms. Para siyang, ang example ko dyan, kunyari, diabetes. Meron kang gamot para sa sugar, pero hindi natatanggal ang diabetes.
Yeah.
Meron, or hypertension. Meron kang
Namamanage
gamot,
lang.
yes, to control the blood pressure, pero hindi natatanggal ang blood pressure, yung pagtiis, yung pagtaas, hypertension. So for us, we have medications to stabilize the mood. Kasi ako din, ayoko nang masyadong masaya, ayoko nang masyadong malungkot. Gusto ko nandun lang sa gitna. Kasi any fluctuations na malala, na abnormal, is very toxic to the brain. It kills brain cells. So gusto ko as much as possible nasa gitna sila. Even kill kung sa barko. So we have medications that will manage, that would make, that would stabilize the mood.
Okay.
I'm not saying that, like for example, if a favorite pet died, natural, malulungkot ka. You know, kundi kaya nakatanggap ka ng award, natural, masaya ka.
Oo naman.
Pero, within 2 or 3 days, nagna-normalize na ulit and life goes on. Magagawa mo na lahat yung functioning mo na babalik, masaya ka, magagawa mo pa rin yung gusto mong gawin. Pag malungkot ka, after 2 or 3 days, you bounce back and then you continue on with your life. Eto, with bipolar, hindi talaga. Yeah, so, we have different types of bipolar disorder.
Okay.
Sila na-admit na-admit sa hospital.
Okay, types.
Yeah.
Type
Yes.
one, first one.
Okay.
Medyo
Yeah. Ang dami, no? Yeah.
hinihingal ako, Dok. Hindi
Yeah.
ko ba hinihingal?
Yeah.
Okay, first type.
We have type 1, we have type 2.
Type
Okay.
1 is?
Ganito, for type 1 and type 2, pag binasa mo, parehong symptoms.
Okay.
Magkakaiba lang yan sa length of the symptoms.
Duration.
Yes, and the functionality. Kaya importante ang functionality. Pag sinabing bipolar type 1, at least 1 week. 1 week yan na meron kang symptoms of your mania.
Okay.
You know na, irritable ka, nakikipag-away ka, agitated ka, yun.
Hyper.
Yung gano'n, hyper, bumibili ka ng kung ano-ano, that kind, nauubos mo na yung savings mo. So, 1 week na gano'n. Tapos,
Irrational ka na.
yes, oo. And hindi ka na functional.
Okay.
Hindi ka na nasa tamang pag-iisip. Yun, ma-admit ka nun.
Itong mga ganitong sitwasyon, hindi sila nakikinig sa mga sinasabi ng tao.
Yes, kasi sila tama eh.
Oo nga.
Alam nila yung ginagawa nila. Yun ang sasabihin nila. Alam ko ginagawa ko, tsaka pera ko to. Ba't ka ba nakikialam?
Oo
Yun.
nga.
Yun na. Oo, pero nakikita na ng
So,
ng
1
mga
week.
relatives, yan, nangungutang na, yan, ganon. With bipolar 2, it's the same symptoms, ha? Pero 3 to 4 days lang. Tapos parang okay na. Tapos, hindi nasisira, nakakapunta pa rin sa work, nakakapag-aral pa rin. May konting mga away with relatives and friends, pero the relationships are still intact.
Mga pasundot-sundot lang.
Oo.
Na pwede mong associate sa what? Merong hindi kasi magandang pagkakasabi mo.
Yan, ganon. Oo, yeah. At saka, may ginagawa pa ako eh. Bakit ba sinisingit man yung,
yung mga
ganon.
ganyan.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, the functioning is intact with bipolar 2.
Duration,
Yes.
differs from each type 1,
Yeah,
type
and
2.
type 2.
Okay. Aside from medication, meron pa bang interview, therapy?
Yes. Once they're stable, yan, I'm not breaking confidentiality, pero nagkaroon ako ng patient noon eh.
Unnamed naman.
Oo, naninira na ng artwork, nakikipag-away na sa lahat, pumupunta na siya sa mga neighbors, kumakatok na. So, may mga ganon. Ayusin niyo yung lawn niyo, So,
Nang-aaway na talaga, confrontational
yes.
na talaga.
So of course they had to bring the
Yes,
patient
yes,
in.
yes,
So
yes.
na-admit ko, naayos ko, na-discharge. Kaya lang nagtataka 1 week.
Hold on. Why are they admitted? Are they a threat to other people already?
They are already a threat to other people. They're banging on other people's doors. Might be masaktan sila. What if yung
Really? May mga violent tendencies?
Yes, they have. They could have.
Pero ito yung mga extreme
Yeah,
cases
bipolar
na.
ones. Yon yung mga Oo.
Wow.
Yes,
Okay.
that's why.
Pero syempre lalong magwawala yung doktora.
No.
Bakit niyo ako kinukulong?
No,
Okay ako.
Once they're in the unit, we are able to stabilize because that is really it said, acute mania, because that is mania. Yun, requires urgent stabilization. So we stabilize the patient as soon as possible. And I also don't want the mood episode to continue kasi nga it's
course.
toxic to the brain.
Yes,
So
yes.
talagang kailangan mas-stabilize ko siya as soon as
Pwedeng
possible.
yung magkaroon ng brain attack or heart attack because of agitation.
Yes, lalo na like for example, these kinds of pag-manic,
Yeah.
pakiramdam, they want to sustain the high, so they look for drugs to sustain it.
May ganun.
Yes, so it could reach those extremes.
Okay, and then pagka stabilize na sila,
Oo.
tsaka kayo makikipag
Balik na
therapy.
sa wisyo. So, pwede ka na mag-start ng therapy mo. It's useless to start therapy when they're very manic. Hindi makikinig sa'yo yan.
Yes, yes,
Oo.
yes.
And also very depressed kasi walang concentration eh.
Yes.
Yeah, so once you stabilize and they're now able to understand what is happening to them, then you can start your therapy. Pwedeng sabayan actually eh. Basta ma-stabilize mo, pasok mo na yung therapy mo eh.
Na-acknowledge ba ng pasyente na bipolar sila?
Because they will ask you, ano bang diagnosis ko? These are my patients. They would ask me.
Okay.
And I would give them examples of what they did. Tatango sila. Kasi alam nila, natatandaan nila, ginawa nila. And then sasabihin ko that we have a criteria, you fulfill the criteria, and this is your diagnosis.
Any denial?
There are denial in a sense that once they're feeling better, they want to stop the medications.
Kasi okay na ako.
Yes, oo.
Parang antibiotic.
Yeah.
Hindi ko complete yung 7
Correct,
days na
correct.
iyan.
Yan.
But
Yeah.
continuing the medication is very crucial.
Correct, yes, because it stabilizes them eh.
Is it like forever medication?
I wouldn't say that, lalo na if it's the first episode.
Okay.
I have a trial period, although I need to maintain medications for like 2 to 3 years. Because in studies it would take that long to stabilize everything.
Okay.
And then afterwards, I try to remove one by
Parang
one.
tinitaper
Oo,
off mo
yeah.
yung iba.
So I tell them that of course ideal,
Yes.
wala ka ng meds, you just go on talking sessions.
Yes.
Yung second na pinaka-ideal is, yes, you are on meds, pero the minimum amount of meds, the minimum dose. Yun yung gusto ko. Yung third, yun ang pinaka-ayoko kasi preventable yun. Yung magkaka-episode ka, okay ka, hihinto mo yung gamot, tapos babalikan na lang pag eto na naman. Oo.
Ayan.
Yun, most probably lifetime yun.
Percentage of how do you term it? Recovery or improvement or
I would say remission.
okay,
Yeah,
remission.
remission. If they follow their medications. Actually, very good. Around 60-70% eh.
Okay.
Yeah, pag hindi,
back to a normal way of life.
yes.
Normal
yeah.
thoughts, normal action.
That is very important what you said, because bipolar disorder patients, they are capable of leading normal lives. They are capable of having families. They're capable of going abroad and going for their masters.
Okay.
Yeah, because fundamentally, there's nothing wrong with the way they think.
Yeah.
It's just that pag extreme ang emotions mo, natural, apektado kaya ko lahat yan.
Yes,
Or
yes,
pag
yes.
very depressed, hindi ko kaya yan. Wala na, hopeless ako. Pero it's colored by the mood. That is what I mean.
Before meron tayong mga phone-in questions dito,
Okay.
Doktora. Pero bago yun, paano, pinag-uusapan natin pasyente.
Opo.
Pero paano yung pamilya surrounding the patient? And paano yung, if ever, maging stable na to start a family, paano yung bagong pamilya na magiging kasama niya?
Yeah. Okay. Very good questions. I love those questions. Number one, always I would tell my patients, it's a triangle. Me and my medications is one end, your family is the other end, and you is the other end. So it's a triangle. So always with the help of the family. The family must understand, what's going on with the patient. Kasi kung hindi, ano na naman yan? Ganyan na naman yan without the understanding.
Yes.
So for me, education is very important. I actually encourage them to bring their parents along, to bring their partners along.
Okay.
As long as with consent of the patient na
Okay.
gusto nila. Para kung may tanong, maliwanagan.
Yes.
And bring, I would tell them na ipakisulat lahat ng tanong ninyo at sasagutin ko pag nag-follow up tayo. Okay. Second, pag gustong magka-family.
Oo, may
Then-
problema dyan, Doktori. Kasi lalo na pagkasal. Pasensya na po, please forgive me for saying this, lalo na sa kalalakihan, na paano ko sasabihin sa magiging asawa ko na meron akong ganitong kondisyon, baka iwanan niya ako.
Yeah, but usually what happens with that, they actually would tell them,
Okay.
and then they would bring to me.
Ayun.
If you have any questions, alika punta tayo kay doktora, sasagutin niya.
Success naman yan, Doc.
Yeah.
Okay. Wala naman naghihiwalay bigla dahil na nagulantang sa mga...
Wala naman.
Wala
Yeah,
naman.
oo.
Very good. So,
Pero sa pagbabae,
second,
pagbabae yon. Pagpaplanuhan namin yon kasi mabubuntis.
Oo nga.
Eh di ba with the medications, may mga
Yes,
medications kami hindi pwede ibigay eh. Yeah. Kasi kailangan stable yung mood niya. Yon. Pero sasabihin na, paplanuhan natin yan. Hindi ka pwedeng mabuntis basta-basta. At naku po, yon.
At kailangan maintindihan ni Mister yun.
Yes, kasama si Mister parate.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
So, yung una is the support of the family. Tapos siguro yung pangalawa, honesty.
Yeah.
Diba? And acceptance din nung magiging pamilya noong pasyente. Ito, si Anonymous, good day po. Itatanong ko lang kung yung mga sintomas po na hypersexuality and lying po, tipong to the point na naapektuhan na po ang health niya, bipolar po ba yon? May hygiene issues din po. ang facade po niya ay masaya naman. Tapos alam po niya na mali ang ginagawa niya. So, hindi niya po sinasabi sa amin ang mga risk escapades. Dahil alam niyang pagsasabihan siya. Tapos may mga times rin po na depressed mood siya. Ano yung hypersexuality?
The hypersexuality, yes. There are times that the patient will become depressed. Yes, I am of the suspicion that this patient, I haven't seen the patient yet, okay? The
But
patient
based
is
from the
bipolar.
narrative.
Yeah, has a mood problem.
What is hypersexuality?
Promiscuity.
Oh.
Yes, they would. Yeah, they
Uy,
would.
katakot yun. Meron ganun kasama sa bipolar?
Yes, and this is one of the anecdotes that I would tell my
Patients?
audience pag nagle-lecture ako.
Uh-uh.
And this is a true
Events?
patient. Yeah,
Okay.
I was training abroad, fellowship for mood
Okay.
disorders. So meron akong pasyente, stable talaga for months na and everything.
Good.
Hindi ko alam, 1 week before na mag-follow up sa akin, kunyari today ang follow up, 1 week before, disturbed ng sleep. So para sa akin, also very important is the sleep.
Sleep.
Once it gets disturbed or naging unstable na, I'm very aggressive. Kailangan patulugin ko yan. So yun
Okay.
pala, 1 week na siyang hindi na natutulog. So,
1 week?
Yeah.
Ano yung tsura na nun?
Yun yung sinasabi ko na naglilinis na ng swimming pool ng 3:00 ng umaga. Tapos sa States, di ba, using infomercial yung buy now in the next
yes,
to get a 50%.
Yes.
Nauubos niya yung credit card niya that entire night lang. Kasi nga, bibili niya lahat yon. So may ganun na
Because
siya.
you can't sleep?
Yes, yeah. And the impulsivity exciting
Okay, Dok. Teka lang, Mark. Hindi kasi ini-imagine ko yung state of mind
Yeah.
ng kinikwento mo, Dok.
Oo.
Nag-aagaw rin ba yung resentment sa sarili? But I just cannot stop.
At that particular point, it's the excitement.
It's the
Yeah.
excitement.
If you think about it, what that patient is doing is something pleasurable. So if it's me or that patient, why will I stop something that gives me so much pleasure?
Hindi kasi di ba minsan like diabetic. Example, diabetic. Gusto mo ng ice cream? Kaya lang mataas yung sugar ko ngayon. Pero gusto ko ng ice cream.
May gamot naman
May gamot naman.
Yeah,
Tapos magigilty ka kasi alam mo na mali. Pero
but
ginawa
you still, this example na sasabihin ko. So, gano'n na siya, no? So, the day of the follow-up, so she was awake at around 2 a.m. Okay? So, she was feeling promiscuous. So, naghahanap siya ng lalaki. And di ba sa States, meron tayong 24-hour Walmart. May 24-hour Target yan
Yes,
Nagpunta ng Walmart. Nakakita ng lalaki. So, pagdating ng 8:00, punto, nandun siya sa klinik ko, nakangiti. Masaya.
Success!
Yeah. Ako hindi masaya, pero siya masaya. So, that is
Pero, sorry, napapatawa lang tayo kasi sa sitwasyon, kaya lang hindi maganda. Like,
Yes.
they can contract an illness,
pwede
an
mabuntis.
infection.
Yeah.
Yes, accidentally, di ba?
Correct, yeah.
And she is on meds. Well, si
Yeah.
Mark.
At that particular point, she was happy. But then, of course, a few days later, ayan na the guilt.
Of course.
What I did was
Kasi
wrong.
na-realize.
Ganon. Pero yun nga parang mali yung timing.
Yeah.
Oo.
Ito si Mark.
Okay.
Marami pong mga celebrities na may bipolar disorder. Ano po kaya ang isang learning na makukuha natin sa kanila on handling this?
Yes. Very important, I'm sure, with all of them, they're seeing a professional. That's why they're able to
should.
handle themselves.
And they're still able to work.
Yes.
Okay.
And they're drinking their medications.
Very good.
Yeah.
At yun naman ang key.
Oo. Yeah.
Si Marian, would you recommend people who have bipolar disorders to have pets?
Yes, I would. It's an emotional support dog or emotional support cat. But this is very important. Once you get a pet, you have to realize that you are the one responsible. So ikaw magpapakain dyan, may self-care ka and everything. You have to know that. And you have to be willing to do that.
Katakot to kay mamaya nagmanik, nagalit sa pet, o kaya na-depress, pinabayaan si pet.
More of yun ang pwedeng posibleng mangyari yung papabayaan.
Ay nako.
Yeah.
Si Jessa May, Doc, kung ito po ay may factor na hereditary, would you recommend to move out and live alone para lang di makadagdag ang pamilya sa pag-handle mo nitong disorder?
That's why it's very important for the family to be involved. There are certain patients that they could live alone as long as they're able to handle the symptoms. May mga ganun akong patients eh. They live alone because of work. Yun.
Sad.
Well, but at the same time, tutok yung...
Because of work,
Oo.
not because of they want to alienate themselves from the the people around her.
But it helps them eh,
themselves.
lalo na kung ang stressor mo nasa bahay.
Okay.
Oo. Yeah, so it's very
So
important.
kasi rin pala talaga
Yes,
to.
yeah.
Hindi,
We cannot generalize.
walang template.
Oo, yeah.
Galing mo naman, Dok. Paano? Kung halimbawa may 10 pasyente ka, 10 iba-ibang klase ng treatments and
Yes,
medications.
that's why it's individualized. I cannot have like a template.
Yeah.
No, because the circumstances of every patient is different eh. So I need to think for that particular patient who is in front of me at that particular time.
Final advice, please.
There is always hope. Okay, and can I plug?
Please.
Yeah, this coming March 28, we have the 3rd Philippine celebration of World Bipolar Day. Okay,
may ganun.
World Bipolar Day is actually held every March 30. Yeah, it's March 30 because it's the birthday of Vincent van Gogh, and Vincent van Gogh has been posthumously diagnosed with bipolar disorder.
And
I
there-
cannot.
Michael, who's the singer? Dedicated a song for him.
Vincent.
Starry, Starry Night.
Yes,
Okay.
correct. Yeah. I cannot hold it on March 30 because it's Holy Monday.
Oh, yeah.
So, so it's March 28.
Okay.
So, this is already the 3rd celebration. I have been spearheading this. We will be holding it at 1 Ayala Mall. So, from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Ano nandyan?
We will talk about bipolar and disorder and nutrition. Kung ano pwede nilang kainin para healthy.
May mga
Oo.
may mga nagtitrigger ba mga pagkain?
Yes, or pag 'di ba pag depressed ka or kain ka lang ng kain without thinking kasi ayaw mo lang ma-depress, ayaw mo maging anxious, ayaw mo ng ganon. Galit ka sa mundo. So kag bibili ka ng pagkain. So there's bipolar depression and bipolar disorder and nutrition.
Okay.
We have bipolar disorder and fitness.
Okay.
So may mga coaches doon na pwede mong gawin sa bahay.
Okay.
Now using or sa bahay na furniture or things,
Yeah.
we have that. We also have what we call social rhythms eh. Yung parang you get into a rhythm when to sleep, when to wake up, when to take your medication. So we also have that.
Parang routine.
Oo, yun. We want, because yun ang unang nawawala sa kanila.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And then we have the mascara activity. It's like they're going to paint their own masks.
Okay.
So we have that. And it's for free.
Over free.
Yes. The
Ayala?
registration is free. 1 Ayala Mall.
One
sa
Ayala Mall.
1 Ayala Activity Center.
One
So, doon namin
Ayala
gagawin.
Activity Center, March 28. What time?
11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
11.
Yeah, we have lunch.
It's wow! Free and with lunch.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Doc
so much.
Carmina.
Yeah.
Ang dami namin natutunan
Yeah,
sa iyo.
we want to show in World Bipolar Day that, hey, again, you're capable of leading normal lives.
Very good.
Yeah.
And kwentuhan natin ngayon enlightened me so much because I thought pag sinabi bipolar lang, biglang may mga mood swings na hindi mo maintindihan, but meron palang mas grabe na impormasyon, na kaalaman na dapat nating alamin para tama ang pagtrato natin sa mga bipolar patients. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat din po for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Dr. Carmina Bernardo, Psychiatry and Mood Disorder Specialist ng Makati Medical Center. So don't forget, on March 28 sa 1 Ayala Activity Center, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. free and with lunch. Ang kanilang,
Yeah.
what's the title?
World Bipolar Day, 3rd Philippine celebration.
Very-
It's a Saturday. Yeah, it's